Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money to Revolut from Luxembourg. The first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and launch your Revolut app, and here from the home section you can actually see add money, right? So I want you to tap right here on add money, and here you can click on change to choose a different payment methods. Before that, you can enter the amount that you want to add, then click here on change. You see the different ways to add money. So you can do easy bank transfer. You securely transfer directly from your bank. You can do regular bank transfer as well, where you basically view your account details and you go to your other bank, you enter the details and make the transfer that way. You can use any of these other payment methods that are available in Luxembourg. Then you just tap on this one, for example, easy bank transfer, and then hit continue. After you've entered the amount, you choose your bank, okay, to transfer from. You can search up your bank right here and, log in and securely make a transfer. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.